In Eclipse Marketplace, you need to search with Spring Tool Suite. Okay, let ID ready 35%.
Sir, for me it's showing installed.
Yes, those who have already installed, okay, no need to do anything. But who are new today, and if actually in that case, actually you need to click on the install, and then install. There are 2-3 steps. It will be first. It will okay. You will notice the all checked option will come. I'm showing the screen.
Sir, next what to do, sir?
Okay, I'm showing the screen. Please wait. Let open. Okay. Okay, those who are doing the first time install, actually what will happen after when install button, install link will you need to click in the install, then this option will come. All of the things will be checked, and you just need to click in the confirm. You need to click in the confirm, then you need to click in the I agree, I accept the terms and conditions, I accept the terms and conditions, and then it will take some time, and it will restart your IE. Eclipse will be restart. Okay, after restart of the Eclipse, you will notice that you will click. If you go to the new, and then first time you will be not find here. First time you will be not find here Spring Starter project. You will be not able to find out. After installation, first time here I have noticed that actually I notice here it is showing Spring Starter project, but when you will do first time, it will be not shown here Spring Starter project. So what you need to do, you need to click on the other, click on other. There will be multiple options are there. So open the Spring. You need to click here Spring Boot, and here you need to click here. You need to click here Spring Starter project. Okay, so everybody's, or it is clear today. You need to click here, and second time it will be automatically come in when you click in the file Spring Starter project.
Yeah, sir, same window appeared, sir. Yes.
Okay, so it is clear to, and actually if your system, just notice either keep your system in Java 8 or keep 11, either keep 8 or Java 11. That will be better for you. Okay, because it supports 8. After 8, it's 8 and 6. Actually, you can surprise, sir, why this? Because these are the major changes happen in the Java version. Okay, 8 is a major changes, then 11. Actually, 8 is a major changes happen. So, and 9, 10, those version has changes, very minute changes. Okay, but 8, those are the versions there. It is a major changes happen. Not advised to do the latest version. Either better you work the Java 8 version, it will be better for you. Okay. Okay. So up to this, everybody clear? Please, everybody response, unmute and response.
Yes, sir. New project
Okay. I'm showing. First, you need to click on the file. After Eclipse, you need to install. Spring Boot. And how you will do? There is options are. This is one option. Eclipse Marketplace. And go to Eclipse Marketplace. You can search with the Spring Tool Suite, and then the steps will come. Okay.
Sir, Sir, in my Eclipse, no Spring Boot this option, sir.
Have you searched with the Spring Tool Suite?
Sir, no, sir.
You have to
Because
install
of
the
there
Spring
is a
Tool Suite.
no.
Sir, I have installed Spring Tool Suite,
Mhm.
and then
Yeah.
how to create new project. Spring
Okay,
project.
that is the steps I am showing here, na? That is the
Yes.
steps I am showing here. Okay, what is the
Okay,
how
sir.
you'll find out? First time, you will be not notice here. First, go to file, click on file, then click on new, then click on other, click on
Other.
other. Just notice, all of you write these steps. Click on other, and in other you will be notice here.
Yes, sir, I am writing.
There is a Spring Boot. It is showing the Spring Boot, and Spring Boot you will find the Spring Starter project. It is clear to everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, sir, I downloaded Spring Boot tool, sir. Then
Mhm.
after, what will I do?
Already it is repeatedly I am telling. First things, after Spring Tool Suite, you need to Eclipse you have downloaded, then you need to configure Spring in Marketplace in Eclipse ID help and Marketplace. You need to search with the Spring Tool Suite,
Okay, sir.
and then you need to follow these steps: file, other, Spring Boot, and Spring Starter project. Now you should click start. Okay, so on things, it is a still if you have any problem in a group, all of you are in WhatsApp group, and many of them actually they will help each other. Okay, so you post if you have facing any problem, and if individual any problem, definitely myself or my team member can help you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, those who have already successful, they help each other. Okay, it will be best
Okay,
for
sir.
you. Okay,
Okay, sir.
help each other.
Sir, Java version is set to be 11 or 8?
8.
Preferable 8.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so first we are doing the Hello application. Okay, this is the first application we are doing. So what we will do, we will select the type as a Maven. Maven, what is Maven? Maven is a build tool. Actually, there is a build tool. Just many of you are new in you are first time familiar with this tool. Maven is a build tool. A build tool, when we do the project, is a multiple files work together. When we do the single Java program, we do command prompt and it run. But in real life work, it is a multiple project, multiple dependencies will be there. So dependency means actually in Java project, actually it does not run alone. If you even notice in the Java software, there is a concept of multiple jar files. And what is jar? Jar is similar like a zip files. In zip, if there is a multiple files, you right click and you make a folder as a zip. Similarly, jar is a collection of a supportive library classes. In Java JDK software, if you notice inside that, you will find that lots of jar files. And what is those jars are built by architects, and they have, again, when you are developing a file and finally when you deploy means when it go to the server hosting environment, and Java files are not required. Finally .class files are required. So it's do the deployment. Actually, it's a easy, and it even suppose I want to connect with the database connection, I want to connect with the multiples area. So all jar files, it will be automatically download from the internet. This is the task of actually Maven, and actually dependencies. It do all to work automatically. Again, actually, why you will learn the Spring Boot? There is a big challenge in Core Spring. Core Spring is really comparatively tough, but the Core Spring and Spring Boot, it has the advantage that it is a much more user friendly, even less error prone. So many of you will be easy to learn. You can, if you learn the Spring Boot, definitely you will get the very big weightage in any campus interview. Also you can, who are professional, you will get the value addition. And gradually we have a plan to do a full stack project. Angular will be there, backend will be the Spring Boot, and Hibernate will be there, end-to-end project for it. Okay, today till I will be move slow, but next week onwards I'll move very fast forward.
Sir, what is the difference between Spring and Spring Boot?
Good question. Spring and Spring Boot, actually it is a extension, you can say. It is a extension and more modification of the Spring Boot. Spring Boot technology, and actually this, it's makes the automated. Many things is being the abstract. Abstract means actually earlier developers need to focus on many configuration, and many XML configuration need to done by the developers for a Spring project, and configuration takes it snatches a big valuable time from the developers, and also configuration also creates lots of error also. The Spring Boot, it is an IDE, it is inbuilt features, and it makes the many things much more user friendly and less error prone, and actually it's internally done by IDE. And many things is abstract. Okay, abstract is the, when you are in Java, first you have here the term called abstraction. What is the abstraction? Abstraction means it's hiding by the complexity. Suppose you in your home there is a AC or fridge is there, but if you go inside, it has a complex circuit is there. It is doing the all work actually. But when you are user, you do not have any botherness about that. No, so that is the things is abstraction. It's hide the complexity. In a car, actually, is a nice cover is there. So there is engine and it's doing complex works also, and that is the reason a car is moving. But you as a user, you are not required to understand all. Okay, if you are a driver, you need to know better. But if you are automatic, the company, they know, automobile company, they know much more better. But as a normal passenger, you are not required to bother about what are the complexity. So those things are abstracted. Here in Spring and Spring Boot, what are the things is happen? The earlier developers have to do the much more valuable time for configurations of the IDE. But here, lots of configuration is happening in the background. You are not required to do. So that is the Spring Boot is an extension of the Spring technology. It is clear now. Am I able to clear you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And Spring Boot, it becomes the standard for the development part. Okay, now in Java J2E technology.
Yes.
Okay, Spring Boot. So I am giving you here. You need to learn here. What is group? What is group? Okay, everybody is here. You are open to speak. Okay, not too much unnecessary question, but everybody you should come up here. It should not be that one-way silent session. It should not expected, but you should ask questions. All of you have a right to learn from here. Group, what is a group? Group we should keep a package name. Package name, actually generally we keep the reverse of the suppose a company name TCS. So you write the com.tcs. Okay, and actually reverse of the website of the company name is www.tcs.com. We write generally, it is a standard we follow, tcs.com. So we write com.tcs. So here we are writing our training is happening. So we are writing com.training. Okay, so this is the base package. And another thing is all of you have to realize that when you are learning new technologies, you may not understand everything at the first day. Okay, everything you cannot understand first day. It takes time, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. Gradually, it will be actually recorded in your brain and I will be understand. Okay, so never ever being frustrated or thought that it will be not happen by you. Okay, technologies are very easy. Just it will test your patience and actually okay, it will test you. So it is really easy and never fear that it will be not happen by you. It is not a rocket science. It's all Java technology is a fun language. And another advantage is that if you want to build your career in Java and I can assure that all of your expectation in your life, okay, as a professional, everything will be fulfilled because of this is the power of the Java. All expectation in your life will be fulfilled. Okay, next. Okay, you are not do anything. Description, you can just write the name of the project. You can same name. Artifact is a project name. You can write the description. You can write some online statement also. So jar file, you can select jar and what. Actually, first we will do the jar and here we'll do the Java. So now you click on the next. So everybody is following. Okay, I am just taking the last day steps.
Sir, yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And gradually there is a lots of Earlier, what happened without Spring Boot? What happened? You need to configure POM file and then it will. But in Spring Tool Suite, many jars are already configuration inbuilt. We just write the name and it will come. And these are the jar related support already inbuilt here. But at this moment, first Spring Boot already we are not required to do anything. It is okay. Just click the next.
Sir, wait, sir, wait. Sir, we don't have to select anything.
No, at this moment, because we are doing the first program, hello program.
Okay.
Okay, we are not required to select anything. Now,
So we should go for next.
next.
Okay.
This is the step. 1 minute. Now click on the finish.
Okay, sir.
Okay, should I repeat the last PPT to all of you? Basic PPT, which I
Sir,
have shown you last
Yes,
time.
sir.
Sir, I have a question. I have clicked on finish, okay, but it's not showing like the same on your screen.
It's not showing like my screen.
Yeah, just under the package explorer, another package is created called Hello Spring Boot. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Can
Same,
you
sir.
share your screen just 1 minute? Okay, I am
Sir,
stopped.
sir, actually, I don't have camera on my device, so I have connected through mobile, but I am in front of my desktop right now.
In your desktop, you have joined Zoom in mobile or desktop?
Mobile, sir, mobile.
Okay. Then it is little tough to. If anybody are facing same problem, have joined in the, because you need to join Zoom in from your desktop also. In that case, actually, I can able to see actually what is happening.
Sir, then give me some time. I'm ready to switch.
Yes, you do it, and actually in this prime session we should not waste as much more time because it is limited. We have to close in 1 p.m. I have another session in 2 p.m. also again.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
If
Then
you have
I'll
any individual problem, you post in the group, and I will ask first of
Okay.
all many of associates there, and all of you who already able to do, you try to assist others also. Then your skill will be increased. If they fail also, then definitely I will help you. But you need to post in the
Oh,
group.
sir, I think I got it, sir. It's showing SRC main Java main resources, something like this. Is it okay?
Okay.
Okay.
So come to here. Hello, Spring Boot first. Let's check what it is. Okay.
Sir, can you share your screen for just one more time?
Sir, I downloaded a Spring Boot tool, but what will I do after that? Can you tell me? Can I share my screen?
Okay. Actually, we will take care later. Okay, if we do all these things here, actually our session will be never start.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Last
Okay.
few minutes, or actually our you can post. There is a WhatsApp group. You will be able to get support also.
Sir, who will help me for this?
Anybody will help you.
Okay, sir.
1 minute. Where is the project? Spring Boot. Hello, Spring Boot first app. 1 minute. Project is not showing here. Hello, Spring Boot. Mistakes. Okay, let me create another time. 1 minute. Okay, eating filters. This is the mistakes. You need to give the name. Hello Spring Boot. Hmm. Okay, just you notice a project will be created. A project will be created. This is the project has been created. Okay, and who are attending the sessions, you will get a code also. What we'll do here, you will get the code also. I will keep it in GitHub, and from there you can download the projects also. That will be advantage for you. Okay, that will be another advantage for you. So they you can open it, you can download and you can configure and in your system also. So it is done. Now, if you open, actually, it is a first new things we need to familiar. Okay, and do not panic also that it is a complex name. Gradually, you will be adapt also with this. First things we will be notice that it is called pom.xml. Pom.xml, actually it is a part of the Maven. It is a all supporting dependency. Dependency means actually you have dependencies to others. Your project will not run alone. Your project will be not alone. Actually, we in our real life, we all are dependent to others. Okay, there is a no persons when you come to this earth and when you leave this earth, actually. So every time in between, you are always dependent of the other persons also in your lives. So a project cannot, that is just an example, and in project also, a project cannot run alone. A project needs the many supportive jar files also. So this is the all jar files related to Spring will be configured in this POM file, and this file actually it is a XML. In any web project, actually XML has a big responsibility. XML is actually it's called mapping file. XML, all of you can note down the term mapping file. Suppose you want to a flight want to go to from Kolkata to Port Blair or Delhi. So when in the mid of the sky, actually everywhere is every side is a sky. So how a pilot move to the plane in the right direction, because he has a clear route map for him. So similarly here, actually a project is entire directions is in the XML file. So it is these are the called mapping file. There is a two file. One file you will be not able to find here, that is called web.xml. But if you do the normal Spring project, actually definitely you will be find out the web.xml. If you do the JSP servlet project, and you can do you can familiar with the web.xml. Web.xml is called it is a mapping deployment descriptor. You can note down the term deployment descriptor, web.xml.
Sir, can you please repeat the term?
It's called deployment descriptor. Okay, if you want to know much more, you can search in YouTube, and you can go to all of you who are new also. If you go to YouTube channel,
Sir, deployment what, sir?
deployment descriptor.
Descriptor, okay.
You can search. Actually, those videos have noise also, since it is a live session, lots of disturbance also. And actually here you can, all of you can note down this YouTube channel. Even if you face any problem, there is a group in Meet with Alok, the WhatsApp group. If you face any problem, you can message me, I will reply to you. In this channel, actually all who are new want to do the Java, JDBC, Code Java, JavaScript, all sessions are here, and many more sessions, all Spring Boot also topic wise session will come here. So if you want to know servlet also, and actually if you want to know deployment descriptor, actually you have to know the servlet. So basic servlet, it is required for you. Two sessions are there, live sessions are there. So some disturbances, you can ignore the disturbances, but you can learn so many things. JSP tutorials are there. So JDBC tutorials are there. JavaScript is there. So you can get much more information from there. Okay, you can. I am sharing the link to all of you. Okay, so you will get some details. Next here, if you notice in this XML file, I'll just notice what of the some configuration. We have given the com.student. It is showing in the group ID. It is showing the com.student. Next, we are given the name, project name. It is a artifact ID. Then project name. This contains the project name. This contains the description. And this contains the which Java version we are using, Java 1.8. These are the all configurations is there. Now we are creating the project Spring Boot starter project, and there is already a dependency. It is already two dependency. That means two dependency jar is already configured. One is a Spring framework.boot. One is Spring framework.
Sir, would you please explain it from first?
Okay, good. On the top, this pom.xml, it is a mapping file for a Spring Boot project and Maven project. And actually every time it's all actually what is the task of this XML file? This XML actually when your entire project is running in the server. So what will happen? This pom.xml, it contains all of the mapping information. Here we are using the group ID. Group ID, it is a spring.org.springframework.boot, and this is a Spring Boot starter project. And next is a group ID, we have given the name. This is the customer name we have given, com.student. Next, artifact ID, it is a project name. It is a project name. Version, it defaults. We have, if you notice during your creation of the project, it is this snapshot comes default. Description is the project name. Java version is the 1.8 we are using.
So
Next,
name and description is also same. The name and description.
Yes, description is same. Dependencies here Spring Boot starter. This is the dependency, and Spring Boot starter test. Spring Boot starter test. These are the two dependencies. Actually, dependencies means actually supportive jar files. Supportive jar files are there. How you will notice the jar files? If you click here, Maven dependencies. Actually, these are the all jar files are already configured. These are the jar files. You are not required to much more details about inside it, but you just aware that when you have select a Spring Boot project, these are the supportive backend jar files are there. These jar files actually, when you started the project, you have noticed that there is this building. It takes some time. Okay, some noise is coming, Shuddeep. Some noise is coming, please mute. You will notice that there it is a building. It will take first time it will take some time for building, because first time those jar file will be downloaded in your system. You can surprise where it comes that these jar files. If you go to in your project, see all of actually these users. This is the file F2 repository. And here actually all jar files comes. Jar files are here, actually it comes here. All supportive jar files are comes here in the m2.m2. It will be created automatically. You are not required to do anything. Okay, so let's do the first project.
Sir, if we change the XML file, some of the XML file like 0.01 snapshot, it will affect the whole project or not?
It will impact whole project actually if you do any changes. Okay, so be careful. Actually, do not do any haphazard changes. But you can, for learning, you can do all type of, do mistakes and learn. Okay, do experiment. Okay, otherwise you will be not able to learn. Okay, this is the first file it creates. This is the first file it creates. Here,
Hello, sir.
actually, tell me.
Yeah, I want to know the difference between Maven and Gradle.
Maven and Gradle. Actually, these are the I also aware very less about the Gradle. And Gradle is a build tool. It is a Maven is a build tool. Gradle is a build tool. But the Gradle is actually, if you think about popularity, Maven is first.
Memory is a repository, sir, local repository.
Hello.
Hello, sir. I think Maven is a local repository.
Yes, yes. Maven is repository. Okay, Gradle
Yeah.
build.
Yes, yes. Because we have a repository called remote repository and local repository, just like
Okay,
GitHub.
you can. You have a question. Actually, what is Gradle? Gradle is showing. It is Gradle is an open source, advanced build automation tool. It builds upon Ant, Maven, and Ivy repositories. Maven and Ivy repositories are supports Ruby-based domain. This. So Gradle tutorial. If you can get some information. It is a advanced build automation tool. It builds upon Ant. This is the for this session we can tell up to this, and for more details you can definitely explore from Google.
Okay.
And next again, if we what is the Maven? If you search in the what is the Maven build tool?
Sir, we need to install this to Maven build tool.
No, it comes automatically, na?
Okay, okay.
It comes to
Yeah, we can select it from Maven project.
okay. So if anybody asks what is Maven, you can tell the Apache Maven is a software project management and comprehensive tool based on the concept of project management, project object model. POM file, POM will use the POM. POM full name is project object model. Project object model. Maven can manage the project's build, reporting, documentation from a central piece of information. This is the okay information about the Maven. So you can go some details. You can okay, it is already written. What is Maven? It is you can get some more information also. It is clear to everybody. What is Maven? What is Gradle?
Yes, sir.
We'll
Yes, sir.
use the Maven also. Okay, next come here. But first here, actually it will be when you will create the Spring Boot starter project, it will automatically create a file according to your project name. Our project name is My Spring Boot application. So it creates a file, My Spring Boot application. So public static void main stringer Spring Boot dot run My Spring Boot. Actually, it is loading your class also. So now we will create a application context. Application context CTX.
Sir, we will do the same. Sir, we will do the same thing you are doing.
You can do. Okay, now create an object. Actually, create another object. You create a class employee. And you can create at least 2 fields there.
Sir, actually, I'm not getting what is the purpose of doing this. I mean, creating an object and
Okay, we want to show a dependency. First things we will learn about the dependency injection.
Yes, sir.
Purpose it.
We open the form file, form.xml. So there we can show the dependencies, right?
No, POM file, it's a mapping. Actually, if your POM file do not contain this XML information, then your system will not work actually.
Okay.
If there is no mapping, okay, if this mapping, if you remove this, your actual Spring will not work. If you remove this section, actually it will not work. Application will not work. Application will fail. Application will not get support of the. If there is a jar already in your system, in your project, but jar will be not active actually until unless this mapping will be there.
Okay.
It is clear now?
Yes, sir. But why are we doing this? I mean, creating an object of it.
Why I do creating an object? So if you
Yes.
do not, how you learn the depend actually in one of the, okay, that is the reason. You are new today?
No, sir. This is my second class. I attend the first class also.
Okay, very good. So actually, we have to learn the Spring Boot. Okay, let me open a PPT with that. So last day you have attended the PPT actually, na?
Yes.
Let me.
Sir, actually today's class and first class is quite similar, sir.
Actually, since some new associates are there
So,
today,
so
I
many,
will-
sir. Yeah, you're showing
Next
it again.
day-
Okay, sir.
Next day, actually, there will be no repeat also, because since it
Yeah.
is a second day and we are starting the, definitely it is a repeat of the first class. Okay, but next day onwards, it will be not repeat. Because it's just 2 days, definitely every new things, actually we need to repeat.
Sir, do you
Just
have
careful.
paid batches?
Huh?
Sir, do you have paid batches?
Do you have
Do you have paid batches, sir?
paid batches? Okay, so for that, actually, you can communicate with the Pritam also, okay, and separately.
Okay.
Okay, let's start. One minute, just PPT, where I kept the PPT last day. Okay. Okay, till there are some associates are new here, and actually we should go through a PPT, some portion also. Actually, last day, actually, what we need to do, first things we should know what is a Spring and what is a Spring history, and how many of you knew today can respond here. At least I need to repeat actually some PPT. Do I should repeat it or not?
Sir,
Yes.
yes, sir. You should repeat it.
You should.
Yes,
repeat.
sir. Bean and bean scope, sir. Who should repeat, sir?
You
Bean
should
and bean.
repeat it, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can you share this file with us?
Yes, what is my plan? I'll upload everything in GitHub, and from there actually you can get the video, but if you need the small project, but actually when you learn the first time, you should do all topics wise, do the small project, and finally you need to do a combined project, a CRUD application you can do, and a combined project. Then you will be. This is the process of learning. Understand? Actually, these are the projects you have seen that I have taken a batch in TCS. Actually, I have taken all of created small project, and then I have shared them all project to them, and then they practice. So this is the way you have to do.
Okay, sir.
First topics is here. Okay, the first is actually why Spring. You can anybody of you have asked questions, sir. I will do the Spring. Reason there is a reason is Spring is the most popular Java framework and it is the most stable. Actually, before Spring, there is a market was the Struts. Struts was the only for the front end, but the Spring is the front end, back end, and it covers entire picture. And Spring is the de facto standard. We should not go in much detail today. The last day light and advantage. Spring is a very lightweight. And actually is very user friendly, and it has many more additional features. Okay, some features are very good, actually, like the inversion of control. It is the dependency injection. What we are going to do the next example. we are going to do the dependency injection. Dependency injection, actually, normally we create the object, something object that we declare the object and you create the new, and then we call the constructor of the object. So that is the way we create the object. But here object creation is not your responsibility, not developer responsibility. Object creation is the responsibility of the container. And actually the terms, many of you are new, you are familiar with the container. What is container? Container actually, actually first time if you do the servlet JSP servlet project, you will be familiar with the JS servlet container. Actually, Tomcat server, you may be here the Tomcat. Tomcat is the web application server. It has a container. It contains the JS servlet engine is there. That like a car is done. Okay, it has an engine. So it's actually execute the application. So similarly here is a Spring container. Spring container, its container create the object on the fly. You are not creating object, but object is creating by the application. So Spring container is creating, and that is the called opposite of the earlier control was in user hand. Now it is the inversion. Inversion means the opposite of the control. Another feature is the AOP is the one of the most beautiful features of the Spring technology. And earlier there is one small drawbacks in the project. If we do the project, we kept the n number of system.out.println. Even we write the log framework. There is a log framework, and definitely we'll discuss something about log in future. Log framework, we do all log line in our actual code. But now modern system in the Spring, they are telling that you should not do it inside your project code. You should do it outside. All of your log related things you will do outside. So that is the features called AOP, aspect oriented programming. It is a very interesting, okay. It is really very easy and very interesting features of the Spring technology. It makes much more user friendly because your primary code will be not impacted, okay, for your logging related information. Next is the security, and Java Spring security. It has a lot. It makes too easy and user friendly about the security. You know, it's a many things. It's done by automated things, and so that developers, it is a nightmare for the security. So Spring provides actually the term called TCS, T for transaction, C for concurrency, S for security. So Spring provides all three features. Okay, and this is the hierarchy of the, this is the evolution of the how this technology came to picture. It started with the okay, there is a noise is coming. Okay, so gradually Spring technology started 2003 and with a architect Rod Johnson, and gradually it's converted. Now it's a Spring 5 is a standard. Now Spring 5 is a standard. There is a lots of evolution happen. Okay, so compared to the EJB and Spring, we actually there is a very less number of slides. Then we'll go to the program, and today's session is quite repeat, but next day onwards no repeat will be happen. So EJB was the before in the Spring. EJB support, EJB is the heavy component, lots of restriction, very hard to use, and learning curve is very complex for the freshers also. But Spring Boot, it is a compact Spring is very lightweight. There is lots of easy features are there. It is a, your developers need to not to focus about the much more configuration related work. Developer will focus on the real project source code.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Tell me.
Like, what do you mean by lightweight?
Lightweight and heavyweight, it is a good question. Lightweight means actually it is a component, is a very small contract access. When in compared to EJB softwares, actually it contains lots of supportive configuration tools, and your entire the application it generates, that's a heavy. Why heavy? Lots of supportive. Actually here if we export the application, it will be very small size, and actually it's a not heavy component. But in Eclipse, such a supportive configuration files count is so high, so it makes the application is very complex also, and the entire heavy component. That is the concept of lightweight, and Spring it's gives the similar feature, and that is the reason. And EJB is a obsoleted. It is a for old project till it is running, but all new project it's Spring becomes very lightweight. Lightweight means the application size is very small. Okay, complexity is very small. So that is the reason it's called lightweight. It is clear?
Yes, sir. Clear. Thank you.
And there is a POJO base. It is a in EJB it's also a POJO base. POJO means plain old Java object. It is a simple okay and setter and getter. That is called bean. EJB was like that, but not EJB. Actually, in definitely all of you will not get any opportunity to work in the EJB. But at the beginning, actually, I have worked 2006-7. That time there is no Spring in the market, so we work with the EJB. EJB it support your suppose a POJO class. It support lots of configuration in your application. Which application you are writing, and system will add much more okay system related code in your work. Actually, so it creates a complex. So here it is a clean separation. Your code is yours. Definitely in background there is a lots of application specific code, but it will be not impact your code. It will not disturb your code. Is a separation is there. That is the beauty of this new technology. And that all of the reason actually Spring Boot is very user friendly and easy to start. Even those who are the earlier, if I thought for a student will work on EJB, it's quite impossible. Even in industry, when we entered the industry actually, and we have seen those who are experienced resource, okay, 5 years, 4 years experience, they got the scope to work for backend. Java backend project actually, earlier they do not entertain any new resource. But now, even if freshers are coming in the company and actually, and after 1 month, actually they have noticed, okay, which project you are working? Said, I am working in a Spring Boot project. Because it is possible, it makes it possible. So simplicity has happened. Okay, complexity has been removed actually. So that is the beauty of of this technology. It is easy to start. So how we are going to learn actually? There are code we will learn. Code, Spring MVC, Spring Data, Spring Security, Spring Boot. These are the things actually we are going to learn here up to AOP. Spring Cloud actually till it will be. It is a I need to. I have a plan to pick up. I am not still familiar with it. Okay, so these are the things we may not cover. Up to AOP we should cover. Code, bean, context, and SPL. SPL means Spring Expression Language. Okay, now the earlier before Spring is bean factory used, and now actually is application context. Application context. These are the complexity we are not going. Last day I have discussed something. First things we should learn. First, today we will learn the dependency injection. In dependency injection, all of you can read this statement in Spring, the object that form the backbone of your application that are managed by the Spring IOC container are called beans, because object is everything. And these object will be equivalent to an table in ORM. We should use that database like the MySQL or Oracle. So a table is equivalent to a bean. Table will be, there will be clean mapping. Your Java class, POJO class will be directly mapped with your table also. So it is called entity. It will be called as entity in future. So a bean is an object that is instantiated, assembled, otherwise is managed by Spring IOC container. So this is the DI. That concept we should be clear. Next, we should come to scope. There is a 6 scope, but at the beginning we should learn the singleton and prototype, that scope. Okay. Next, this is the actually picture that it's a Spring container is creating the object. Okay, just a small example. Earlier we create the object like that. Okay, we are creating a car object. There is a car is creating instantiated at the engine object. So we create the object like new. We create the object new equal to new. But now in dependency injection, it is a complex. It is a system is creating object for you. So you are not creating the object. So that is the reason it is a we are not. There is a no new operator is here. Where it is a object inside the constructor. They're passing the object in constructor. So we'll know in details during program. Okay, let's we'll go for in future. Let's do a fast project also. So we have created the employee and you write here. Okay, now what you need to do? You create the employee. Okay, next another. Now we need to connect with the employee class. This is the separate Java class and this is a separate class. What we need to do? We need to connect. And for okay, let me create the method here. Click on the source, create the setter and getter, select all.
Sir, screen share off হয়ে গেল।
Yes, sir. Please share your screen.
Select all, click generate. It will generate the method. Now let's do okay. Now you can do it. Okay, you can try to run this application. You can check what happens. Just okay, how to run the program, how to run. Okay, right click. You can right click here. Go to run as. All of you who are new, you can note down it steps and right click here. Spring Boot application. Okay, Spring Boot application. Just click here.
Sir, please show it one more time, sir. How to
Okay,
run?
sure. I'll show you.
Sir, we can see a run button over.
Yes. Okay, right click. Okay, again, all of you note down. Right click, click on the run as, and then you will notice the Spring Boot app. Run as Spring Boot app.
Run as Spring Boot app.
Okay, you will click.
Okay, sir.
The first time if you run, you will notice that this situation it is showing an error or not. It is showing an error. Why it is error? Because actually no qualifying bean of type com.student or employee. Actually the thing is it's a bean has not been created. And who will create the bean of instance? Spring container. Earlier what we have done, if there is no Java, no Spring technology, we have done like this. This is the start. Okay, without Spring technology, we done employee. Employee. Okay, those who are already learned the basic Java, they have done like this. employee. Okay, you can run the program. Java application. It is without Spring. So it is working, na? But here we are creating the object. This is the very simple. You understand the what is dependent, because if when you are going to work with the Spring technology, first things everybody should have clear idea about the dependency injection. So this is the things is we are creating. It is a hard create object. We are creating the object by ourselves. Can you think if you need to create the employee? Okay, here all of you are employee. So different employee object. Here Shubhabrata is an employee, RP Pal is an employee, Somarat is an employee. So in the real scenario, if I need the 10 employee object, I have to create the 10 employee object. But actually the things is, suppose 2 employee left. So I do not know how many employee object will be created on the fly. But here is the beauty of the Spring technology. It will create whenever request will come on the fly. So you are not creating object and hard coded. So this is the one of the biggest advantage of the Spring technology, because your container will notice how many instances required according to requirement. It will create the object for you. So this is the without Spring. This is without Spring technology. Now you remove it. Now we are going to Spring technology. Here Spring technology, this application context is this line. Okay, for the first time you may not understand. Okay, when you will be learn the first time in technology, many topics, many area you may not learn. Okay, but the technology you will do it 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, and few days you do. Entire picture will be clear to you in crystal clear. So here actually this CTX, this application. Actually, if you think about the PPT, in PPT there is a section called what is the types of container. Application context is a container. Now latest is the application. Earlier normal Spring code. We use the Bean Factory, but now in Spring Boot we are using application context Spring container. This Spring container dot object CTX dot getBean method. It is actually creating the object. It is this line is creating the object. So you can here one of the beauties, if you want to go inside, just click on the control and spacebar, control and mouse click, and it will be moved to the what is the backend code. You will be able to view the backend code. Okay. Next, actually, what you need, you have it will not work. It will show some error. Why? It has been there, no relationship build up. So what we'll do, we have to create all of you note down who are new first time component. And component actually it is a org.spring framework.stereotype. These automatically this package name will come here. So write @component. Now you can run the program. Now you can run the program. Now you will run as Spring Boot app. Okay, now it is working. Is it working?
Yes,
So
sir.
what
Yes,
is
sir.
component here?
Tell me.
What is component here?
Yes, sir.
What is
Component.
component?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, anyone? What is your question?
Yes, sir. So application, what is the application context, sir?
What is the application context? Application context, actually, that is the reason these are the root concepts of the servlet technology. Servlet, if you do the servlet technology and servlet technology, there is a 4 scope. There is an application run in the 4 scope. What are the 4 scope? One is the scope is the actually one is the session, one is the application, and one is the page, and one is the request. There is a 4 scope if application run. The application is the scope of entire application. It is a context. Actually, whenever you are writing, actually your application in the www root, any localhost or something, that it maps the application context. Application context, it is the unique for an application. Okay, so it is the heart of the, it covers the entire application. It's unique in a project.
And also, sir, it is loading the bean class, the entire bean object of the Spring.
Yes. It is loading the entire bean object. So it is a application context, the core of an application.
It
is
is
clear?
starting it. Yes, sir.
Okay. Here actually Sandeep Pasan is there, and I have learned lots of things from Sandeep also. Okay, so he also teaches me lots of things, and okay, I'm very happy that he is here also. So this is the, now after this, I think everybody's got clear about the dependency injection. It is clear to all of you, each and everybody
Yes,
who are
sir.
team member here.
Yes, sir.
Everybody
sir.
is clear. Anybody,
Sir,
any
my
question?
question was, what is
I'm not clear.
component here? Component.
Component.
Yeah.
Component, every part is called as, okay, in your body, every part, there is in your body actually has a liver, kidney, and actually lungs, and every part is called a one part, one component. Yes or no? So it is a every sections is called a component. Okay.
So it is like a function.
Sir, yes, sir.
No, it is like a unit. Okay, like our liver do a function. Nah? Our liver is a organ, but it do a function. But kidney is an actually a body part, but it do a function. So every component has a function.
Sir, yes, sir.
Every functions are related with a component. Am I able to clear?
Yes.
So dependency injection not clear still, sir.
It will be not clear in your lifetime. You just watch video, do multiple times, then your dependence. Dependency is very simple. You have done Java program? Have you done Java program or not?
Yes, sir.
So in Java program, you do simple employee object or new employee. Yes or no? But here we are not doing. Here application context, it's creating the class on the fly. This class you are not creating object by yourself. Container is creating the object, and actually it is connecting this object. Okay, when you are writing here @component, it is called annotation. It is called annotation. In Java technique, it's called annotation.
Annotation, okay.
Yes. If you can ask, sir, what is annotation? Definitely you have to go to any annotation. Annotation concept has came from Java 5 onwards. Java actually it's do the all internal mapping. When you are writing @component, it is not that actually there is internal XML configuration is happening. Those things is completely abstract actually. It is not able to visible by you. So internal some mapping is happening, XML mapping is happening. Okay, so that is the reason these classes and that object is getting connected.
স্যার
Sir,
সার্ভলেট ভালো করে জানলে এখানে একটু বেশি ক্লিয়ার হবে, মানে যদি একটা সার্ভলেটের একটা ক্লাস নেওয়া যায় ভালো হয়।
দেখো when we are writing this taking the session in Spring Boot, definitely one things what you can do next day before coming here, if you have a Java knowledge, you watch
Yes,
the
sir.
videos of the servlet in my channel also. You try to do practice 1 or 2 servlet also, so your concept will be clear, and then you come here and you will be able to grab. But do not do, even if it's the session is going upon your head, till you keep a patience also, but today or tomorrow it will be clear for you. Nobody learn everything first day.
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, they, I think they have don't know the XML actually, so they are not able to get that component.
It is completely okay. If they
Complement, first they have to go from servlet.
okay, so it is completely okay. But first of all, many times you may not know subnet that you are here, but you take the advantage. When you are here, you will be understand. Even I have seen many people. I asked that what you are doing, sir. I am working in Spring Boot, but the things is when you are doing it, you need to know the necessity of the JSP subnet. What is the code? Code things is always remain truth. Okay, code you need to learn, and you will understand. Oh yes, ठीक है. This time I am not able to understand on depth, but again, if I go to learn and Spring JSP Summit, again you come back and you will learn more better. Okay, it is not that you will do the 1 day program. You have to do the many times the program, many times you have learned. These videos will be in the YouTube's also, so don't worry. You will get the code also. Next topics, we are moving to the next topics. Can I move to the next topic?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Is called, there is a property. Just we learn these things. We are moving here. Okay, there are 6 scope in Bean in Spring. We are not focused, not everything. We are just going to focus is what is a singleton or prototype. First, you learn these two, singleton and prototype. Singleton and prototype. What is the singleton? Here again, you have to return back with the Java. Every time you will do, it's related to with the backend, the core Java. In core Java, I think many of you have heard already the singleton object. Singleton. Okay, this is called design pattern. Anybody here learning first time hearing the term singleton? Singleton design pattern on concept is in Java, core Java. Anybody here who are first time you are hearing this term? If it is okay, it is completely okay if you hear the first time. Hello?
Yes, sir, I know about
Singleton. Very good. So singleton, actually what is singleton? If we make the
Only one.
Java object only one time, okay, entire application, a project, actually if you think about the project, it contains 500 Java class, 200 Java class, but we are expecting entire project a single object will be there. Okay, that is the concept called singleton. Here we are creating, okay, just you print the object, this out. You write here object. You will notice a hexadecimal code. You print it. Run now. Okay, have you noticed that it is print the com.student employee some hexadecimal of value? Okay, this is the object. Now you create another object. Now you create another object. Create second object. Write here employee 2. And you write here. You can run it. Okay, have you noticed both are same? Both values are even object 2 and object 1 is both values are same or not?
Same, sir.
Same,
Same. So if you create the n number of objects here, it will be same. So it is called singleton. So
Single.
object is it is a single object. Huh? Actually, it's a singleton. It is a singleton features. But if we change it, let's go to here. One minute.
You know,
Prototype. 1 minute. Sandeep, you are there, Sandeep? 1 minute. Okay, it is being fact example. Good. Yes, this is. One minute. We need to add the prototype. Where is the prototype?
Sir, why have you written prototype?
Actually, prototype, actually, it will be make that different object will be created. Na?
But this is singleton, sir. The object is everywhere same. No matter.
1 minute. Let me check. Is Sandeep, you are there, Sandeep? Prototype actually, now it will be, we need to write where. Let me check.
sir, bolun.
Okay, where I need to write the prototype, actually prototype component, we need to write here, na? In component place.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Here I need to write, na?
Hmm.
How to write? Is @ prototype or actually need to component value?
@ prototype. What is
But
taking it?
why it is not taking? That is the surprise. Okay.
Let me see.
It is not taking the value.
আচ্ছা ডেফিনিশনটা পাচ্ছে না
Definition পাচ্ছে না সেটা। 1 minute.
Let me check.
It should be here, na?
হুম ওটা আপনাকে বিন দিয়ে অ্যাক্সেস করে নি
Clean commodore bin plus scope singleton. You can write in the
বিন
XML file, but in Excel we are not using XML, na?
স্যার একটা কাজ করুন না স্কোপ অ্যানোটেশন নিয়ে নিন আর স্কোপের মাঝখানে ওটা ডিফাইন করে দিন স্কোপে মানে প্রোটোটাইপ স্কোপে ওটা নিয়ে নিন স্কোপ অ্যানোটেশন
এক minute. It is an XML base. We need to write scope, na?
ইয়েস স্যার ইয়েস
Scope, and scope we need to write okay. No scope register for the type scope. How need to write? Anything mistakes happening here? Okay.
ওটা ওরকম লেখা যাবে না ওটা লেখা যাবে স্কোপ ওর মাঝখানে ভ্যালু লিখে ওখানে কনফিগারেশন বিন ফ্যাক্টরি ডট স্কোপ প্রোটোটাইপ এরকম
Scope then value.
ওর মাঝখানে ব্র্যাকেট দিয়ে ওর মাঝখানে ভ্যালু ইকুয়াল টু করে দিন ভ্যালু ইকুয়াল টু কনফিগারেশন বিন ফ্যাক্টরি ডট স্কোপ ওটা
It is
কেটে
okay?
দিন
It is okay.
কনফিগারেবল বিন ফ্যাক্টরি ডট স্কোপ প্রোটোটাইপ
One minute.
ওরকম করে নিয়ে নিন
Can you send me the text? Okay. Can you send me the text?
Yes.
Okay. One minute, let me check.
আমি চাইটা টাইপ করে দিচ্ছি।
Okay, send it. এখানে পাচ্ছি না কেন? This is actually, it is written here, but it is a configuration. Actually, it is a normal thing. It is an XML configuration. I want to avoid the XML configuration. Definitely, we can show in Spring Boot in XML. This is an XML configuration where we want to avoid the XML configuration. Chat it out. You can share in chat box. Prototype. Prototype in Spring. These are all, I need prototype in Spring Boot. Spring Boot.
Rebel. Rebel.
Mhm. Okay, this is, you need to write this, actually understand. App config, value, scope, configurable bin factory. Okay, now it is done.
Hello, can anybody hear me? Hello.
Yes, yes. Okay, I have done it. Okay, just check what are the changes we have done in, this is the changes we have done. Scope value equal to configurable bin factory scope prototype. If we write it, if we write it in prototype scope, what will happen? Your instance will be different. Scope equal to value, then configurable bin factory scope prototype. This is the, if you write it, then your object value, two objects are now different. It is clear to everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Can
So
you
this-
repeat, sir? This
Okay.
only explain it, sir.
So this is the actually what we are doing. Actually, if we use by default when we are not writing anything here, so it is happening again. I have to repeat it. I am removing it for the timing. Save it and run it. Here you will notice the both objects are same. Objects are same, but if we use it, prototype scope. Prototype is a scope. Prototype is a scope, and if you use this scope, and then actually it is inbuilt. Some cases you are new, it will be the inbuilt actually Java class will be there. So configurable factory, these are the import. Okay, you will not too much bother about it. Scope prototype. So it will do. Now if you run it, okay, so it is creating the, so it is showing the two different objects. 1 minute, I need to save it. One minute, I to see. Oh, 1 minute, it is not save actually. Now it will work. So it is different now. It is now two different objects. It is clear to all of you. So this is the today actually we learn. Today is the start. Next day onwards we will not do anything repeat. How to learn today? Spring injection, actually that is the dependency injection we have learned, and there is a scope, bin scope, and actually that another scope is prototype scope, singleton scope, and singleton scope and prototype scope. So prototype scope, it will be create the different object, and singleton scope, it will create the same object. Okay, so this is all for up to today, and next day we will do much more topic we'll cover, and next day we will go to some basic Spring also. Basic Spring means without Spring Boot, actually what are the backend configuration happen. Like for this application, if we do, since we are using the Spring Boot, we are not doing any XML configuration. Next day, we'll do something about the Spring Core also, so that we'll do the same configuration in the XML. So next day onwards, we'll do little bit faster movement, and we'll do topics much more faster. Okay, rather Otherwise, we will not able to cover the entire Spring Boot, okay, in short period. So it is okay, all of you, up to today.
Yes, sir. All of the things are
So
sorted,
it
sir.
is a
Yes, sir.
foundation program. If you do this is the foundation up to this foundation, and next day we'll do little faster also. We'll cover much more topics.
Sir, next class will be on next Saturday, right?
Yes, actually myself is
And-
busy with the normal days also. Okay, so
Yeah.
definitely it is
I
the
can understand. Sir, would you please share the PPT?
can you repeat?
Sir, please share the PPT.
Okay, PPT and actually everything I'll be keeping the
GitHub.
GitHub also. I'll
Okay,
upload
sir. Yes, sir.
everything
Yes, sir.
today.
Yes,
What are the things we have covered? These application I'll be uploading the GitHub.
And sir, link of GitHub.
You will get that link in WhatsApp. You will get that link in WhatsApp, but do not do too much phone also. You give me some time also, because I have a back-to-back work and Saturday also. It is a too much hectic.
Okay,
But
sir.
Monday to Friday, I'm busy in my thesis, but in Saturday definitely. But all of you keep patience, and everybody will get benefited also. Okay, definitely I'll upload it in GitHub account.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And
Okay,
don't
once
forget-
announcement is there. Tomorrow, who are interested to join the Amazon AWS and the Linux classes, they can join. It will happen from 11 a.m. Just the same meeting link. Okay, so
Yes,
please
sir.
join who are interested.
Okay, sir.
And AWS
Okay.
will be very interesting things, very interesting. You can learn step by steps and actually lots of things, and it will be value addition for all of you. Okay, so you can invite your friends also, so that new session is going to happen. So who are your friends? You can invite also. Okay, you can nominate to Pritam. So I think today we have created the foundation today, and actually you have learned the
Yes,
basic
sir.
things.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Pritam sir, I need your help for
Yeah, tell me.
install Spring Boot.
Okay, are you in the WhatsApp group, right?
Yes,
In
yes.
who are the facing any
Uh,
problem for configuration, all of you make your system ready, because next day onwards we'll do more faster. Okay, and so that
Okay, sir.
you can do immediately. So all of you keep your system ready.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Pritam sir, can you help me?
Yeah, you can put what you want to get a help in the WhatsApp.
Yes, sir.
But I need a share with you screen.
Yeah, put in the WhatsApp. No, yeah, I can help you. No doubt, no problem.
Okay.
It is okay. We can close the session today. And session
Yes,
was
sir.
helpful
Yes,
to all
sir.
of you, or
Yes,
any
sir.
session was
Sure.
helpful to all of you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.